Good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, 2026. We are here at Julington Creek, and this is a before video of latitude adjustment. We got some growth on here. We're going to go ahead and clean it up, get an after video, and update the zincs. Currently, I do see we have 2 R4 rudder zincs and 2 R4 trim tab zincs. We're going to go ahead and measure the shafts afterwards, and we're going to relieve that port side prop of the line that is wrapped around it, and then we'll get an after video.